Hello, my name is Jack Soto, and this is just an overview of the project I did for my senior year NYU Honors Independent Data Science Research. So I was matched with a PhD student in sociology who wanted to create a pipeline for authors to be able to for historical author metadata collection using local libraries for smaller models as well as LLM API usages. So I built a model that could accurately extract metadata from just texts of historical autobiographies. I was able to implement them both natively and with using LLM API calls. So I was given this data set, the part of the ELAT, which contains metadata regarding the author. And my first approach was to use Book NLP, which can process text and give you tags depending on the content of the text. It can identify speakers, pronouns, what kind of subject it is. So in this example, I wanted to extract the country of birth of the author metadata. So I went through the entity files generated by Book NLP and basically tallied up the countries that were most mentioned and got some pretty decent accuracy, but not enough. So I moved to the GPT API, which I would use the tick token library to adhere to the token limits. And then I would send a batch file of a bunch of different texts. This was the 4.0 mini model, so it was extremely cheap and very easily integratable. I would format the country predictions from the LLM into PyCountry numerics, run accuracy evaluations on GPT's best guess. So, my main takeaway from all of this was that in terms of prompt engineering, you can approach in different ways. I labeled two approaches, the aggressive versus the encouraging, always guessing versus absolutely only reporting NA if they didn't have a best guess. And the findings I got were that while the aggressive prompt gave a valid response 100% of the time, its accuracy only hovered around 63% for the most part, while the quote unquote encouraging prompt on average boasted a full 91.5% accuracy of of the author's country of birth. So that was just a fun little highlight of what I've done in my NYU data science curriculum as well as my computer science curriculum. And thank you so much for listening.